Good morning, everyone. Here are the Sanibel Island updates as of October 7th, day 9 of hurricane recovery. On the boat ride to the island this morning, the mayor was amazed by the progress she saw on the bridge. The repairs are moving along quicker than most people expected. The mayor would like to remind people to beware of scams. Research who you decide to donate money to. There are GoFundMe pages popping up like crazy of sad stories of Floridians losing everything and asking for money. They are not all legit. There are numerous fake stories out there. It is heartbreaking to see all the unscrupulous people coming out of the woodwork. I personally don't donate to GoFundMe pages unless it is someone I met in person. It is way too easy to create a GoFundMe page. There is not enough checks and balances by the GoFundMe website or their management. The USAR map is being updated daily on mysanibel.com. They are adding photos to each building assessment, and eventually each building will have a photo on that spreadsheet. So if you are a resident and have looked and haven't seen photos, keep checking back. A mobile tire repair truck was delivered to the island today. This is perfect since most of the city vehicles keep getting flat tires from the nails on the road. Just a reminder, personal vehicles are not permitted to operate on the island yet. It's only for emergency vehicles. It is still a safety issue. The police are still stopping people who are driving when they shouldn't. I assume they are not going to lift this ban until the fire department and EMS service is fully functional. The city has 2 mechanics on staff. Crowder Golf is working on bringing another full-time mechanic on the island. This is important to keep the repair vehicles up and running. FEMA donated 6 generators for the lift station today. The waste processing station was inspected by the federal government. It's still not fully operational, but it is getting closer. The electric company was able to transfer 24 trucks to the island today by barge. They have also transferred new poles, wires, and the supplies that go along with that. The fire department responded to 2 heat-related illnesses and 1 fractured wrist today. The alligators are still an issue on the island. No one has mentioned what the city plans to do about them. I am assuming once most of the debris has been removed, the appropriate crews will work on moving the alligators to the preserve areas. I will follow up on this because I am definitely curious to see how the alligator issue will be resolved. And there's a good chance that once the debris is removed, the alligators will go back to their natural habitat. If you haven't been to Sanibel before, there are lots of ponds that the alligators hang out at, and hopefully they will return to those ponds. Sanibel hired a new building official, Craig Mole. He has over 25 years of experience, and he's a certified floodplain manager. FEMA will pay hotel costs for hurricane survivors in 8 different Florida counties, including Lee County. Residents can go to disasterassistance.gov to apply for financial assistance. There's also a list of the hotels that qualify. Duracell? The battery company. Duracell gave out free batteries and power banks today at several Fort Myers locations, including the Home Depot location at Punta Gorda. The Power Forward program was started by Duracell in 2011 to provide disaster relief across the U.S. Duracell's website provides more info, but it looks like Twitter is the best place to get future location information. Sanibel Fire and Rescue announced free ice. The ice truck is staged at the community house for Friday, October 7th and Saturday, October 8th. It is a self-service truck. That's all I have today. I will post more tomorrow. Thanks for watching and technically listening.